so here is our room. We got a regular balcony. The hallway is kind of, you know. All right, so when you walk in, I believe these are closets. I don't know how to open these. How do you open these? I have on nails. Ah, I could have. Ah, okay, so there's plenty of storage. And what else is over here? Closet. Gonna need more hangers.
Yeah, hangers right here.
More hangers? Okay. Storage. A safe. More storage. Over here, I think is the bathroom, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have to watch our step at nighttime. Babe, light. Ha. Here's the light. Thank you. So we press this to get the light on. You have to have a card in here. It doesn't have to be your sell-in sign card.
Mm-hmm.
So here is the bathroom. The shower is bigger than what I thought it was going to be. What do you think, babe?
Yeah. That's good. That's good. I like it.
I like it too. There's a lot of storage here. Oh wow. The mirror is pretty big. We definitely have to watch our step at nighttime and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So then we have, you know, couch here. We got the 2 twin beds that push together to make the queen. So that's that. Okay. Oh, balcony. And we are here. This is the starboard side, not port side. But I can't wait till we leave so we can see our beautiful view and not all this stuff in the way. It's the balcony. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. TV is pretty big. Got channels, movies. And here's our little mini fridge. Super mini. Super mini. Yeah, I can't open that. But yeah, this is our room. So excited, so hungry.